Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Mad Hatter Makeup Kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to bring a beloved character to life. This kit allows you to dive into a world of vibrant colors and whimsical designs, perfect for cosplay, themed parties, or simply unleashing your inner artist. Get ready to explore the magic of the Mad Hatter with a kit that sparks creativity and captures the essence of Wonderland. Number 5. UCANBE Athena Face Body Paint Palette. Introducing the UCANBE Athena Face Body Paint Palette. This professional kit is perfect for creating vibrant and long-lasting designs on both the face and body. It features 20 creamy, highly pigmented colors that apply smoothly with a sponge or brush. The palette is designed for easy blending, allowing you to create a wide range of effects. Made with high-quality, non-toxic ingredients, it's gentle on the skin and comfortable to wear. It dries quickly to a smudge-proof finish, ensuring your designs stay put. With a variety of colors, including bossy gold and silver, it's suitable for festivals, parties, and Halloween. You can easily create various looks, from crowns to special effects. The oil-based formula provides rich coverage and is easy to apply. It washes off easily with olive oil or professional makeup remover, making it perfect for both kids and adults. What we like? This palette offers a wide array of 20 colors, perfect for creating diverse looks. It's easy to blend, allowing for seamless transitions and artistic effects. If you're looking to create intricate designs or special effects makeup for a party or performance, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to mix and blend. Great coverage. You don't need many layers to accomplish full coverage. This is an oil-based cream makeup. It has great coverage, is buildable, blendable and stayed put even after a couple dress rehearsals and a show. Number 4. Zenovika Kids Face Painting Kit. This kit is specially designed for kids, offering a safe and fun way to express themselves. It includes a wide array of vibrant colors and accessories, perfect for any occasion. The face paints are made with non-toxic and hypoallergenic ingredients, making it safe for both kids and adults. You can rest assured knowing that it's gentle on sensitive skin. The water-activated paints are easy to use, just like watercolors. Apply smoothly with the included brushes or sponges, and cleanup is a breeze with soap and water. Make every event unforgettable with this kit. It's ideal for birthday parties, Halloween, and other fun gatherings. The included instructions help you create amazing designs. This professional face paint kit is a unique and fun gift. It's a great way to create memorable moments at any party or special occasion. Kids and parents will love it. What we like? This kit is designed with kids in mind, featuring 24 bright colors and safe, hypoallergenic ingredients. It also comes with stencils, brushes, and a guide, making it easy for beginners to create fun designs. If you have a child who loves face painting or you're planning a party, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Love the set. We've been using these colors for large school events for face painting stations. This was my second order because it was great last year. The quality of the paint is great and stays on nicely. Applied very well. Good pigmentation. This is very nice face paint. The colors are lush and go on easily when mixed with water, and it is gentle on the skin. They work well with finger daubers and stencils and with brushes. It's also easy to blend the colors when applying them, and they clean up easily. Number 3. MANIC Dreamtone White Foundation. This oil-free foundation provides full coverage with a demi-matte finish. It's a great alternative to heavy, pore-clogging grease paint. It will make your skin look flawless. This white makeup conceals imperfections like freckles and dark circles. It also neutralizes uneven skin tones. It will give you a perfect canvas. Perfect for Halloween, goth, and cosplay looks, this foundation evens out your skin tone. It provides a long-lasting, blendable base for any dramatic makeup. It is designed for your special looks. MANIC products are always cruelty-free and vegan. They are tested on celebrities, not animals. This product is also ammonia-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, and phthalate-free. This foundation is oil-free, ensuring a comfortable wear. It won't clog your pores or feel heavy on your face. It's perfect for all-day wear. What we like? This foundation provides full coverage with an oil-free formula, perfect for creating dramatic looks without clogging pores. It's also vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with ethical values. If you like goth, punk, or cosplay makeup, this is the ideal base for your look. What people say. Worked perfectly for Morticia. The foundation isn't too liquid, more of a creamy texture, so you won't spill too much and it will probably last longer. The coverage is quite good. Basra davvero una piccola quantità per dare il giusto effetto di bianco, ovviamente è misciolabile a fondotinta per avere la tonalità che più preferiamo. Si stende facilmente, io ho usato una spugnetta, la capienza è massima, ottima e anche la sua tenuta. Number 2. UCANBE 15 Colors Face and Body Paint Kit. This face and body paint kit features 15 vibrant colors, including black, white, and various shades. It comes with 10 professional brushes for detailed work. It's perfect for bringing your creative visions to life. The colors in this kit offer strong pigmentation for excellent coverage. They blend well together, allowing you to create unique effects. You can use it for costume effects, acrylic painting, and more. The oil-based formula glides on smoothly and is easy to blend. To make your look last, we recommend using setting powder. It's designed to stay put all day without smudging or fading. This kit is ideal for Halloween, carnivals, and parties. Whether you're into cosplay or SFX makeup, it provides everything you need. It's safe for both teens and adults. If you have any issues with the product, please reach out to us. We are dedicated to ensuring you are satisfied with your purchase. We're here to help. What we like. This kit offers 15 vibrant colors, along with a set of professional brushes, providing great control and precision. The oil-based formula glides smoothly and blends easily. If you are looking for a versatile kit for various occasions like Halloween or cosplay, it will be a good choice. What people say. The colors were vibrant and they went on really smoothly. The colors in this set are incredibly vibrant and they provide excellent coverage, making it easy to create bold and eye-catching designs. The paint goes on smoothly and dries quickly, without smudging or fading throughout the day. Number 1. Go Ho Clown White Face Paint Stick. This white face and body paint stick has a matte, creamy formula. It goes on smooth and is easy to blend, providing full coverage without cracking or flaking. It's perfect for creating a variety of looks. The paint is waterproof and designed to last. It won't fade or become splotchy, making it ideal for extended wear. You can even use it for white-eye black sports. Made with non-toxic, eco-friendly ingredients, this paint is suitable for all skin types. However, we recommend a patch test before applying, as with any cosmetic. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Simply twist up the stick and apply it directly to your skin. It blends easily with other colors. To set it, especially on areas that will be touched, use a setting powder or spray. It removes easily with makeup remover. With a generous 1.06 ounce capacity, this paint is perfect for creating characters like clowns, zombies, vampires, and more. It's a must-have for Halloween parties, festivals, and special effects makeup. What we like. This white face paint stick has a creamy texture and offers full coverage, making it easy to apply and blend. It's designed for creating classic characters like clowns and zombies. If you are planning a Halloween party or need a quick and easy base for your costume, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Worked wonderfully for my Halloween makeup. I needed something to use as a base for blending the different powder colors for my flamingo makeup. This was thicker than the cheapo Halloween makeup you always mistakenly grab at Target, so it went on smooth and had way better coverage. The color is beautiful, and it went on seamlessly. We blended it with a beauty blender, and it barely faded throughout the entire 6-hour-plus school day. Easy to apply via the stick and blends well with a sponge, great coverage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.